This looks like my hair. This really looking like my hair. ¿Cómo estás? Buenos noches, buenos dias. What's good, what's poppin', what's cracking? I hope you guys are well, and I hope you are extremely blessed today, just because. Today's video is a half up, half down wig install by Luvmehair. I was sent this lovely unit in the length of 20 inches, and the texture, something a little different this time. It's in the texture Kinky straight, and it is Swiss lace. The density is actually 180. It's very, very full, and the fact that it's kinky already just adds extra volume and fullness to the hair. The lace color was a little bit gray. It does say that the lace color comes in a medium brown, but that is contrary to what I believe it came in. It did come in a almost like a gray, a transparent, more so on the gray side. It's really cute, very true to length. If I bring the curls down, then it's actually coming almost to my belly button, and I just went in with my straightener and added some cute little curls and just added some ringlets in the hair and then left them as they were. I didn't really blend them out. It's giving me that girl from Proud Family low-key. It's giving me scissor vibes. It's giving me playful vibes. It's giving me cute. It's giving me a lot of things. You let me know what it's giving you down below in the comments, because it's giving a lot. It's giving a lot. It was a super easy hairstyle to do. I actually tried to do this in my last video and it just flopped. I don't know why, but it is giving very much natural vibes. So yes, without further ado, I'm gonna stop rambling, get comfortable. You guys know the drill, and let's proceed into the next clip.
So as always, I like to do a quick unboxing of the wig. Here is the contents. Now inside of the wig, you actually get a pouch with a few accessories inside. So the first thing you get is a edge brush, an elastic band, followed by some hairpins and a Love Me clip. You also get a tweezer engraved with the Love Me logo, a Love Me headband, and the wig itself. So now I'm just showing you all the angles and the wig construction. The texture is kinky straight as mentioned before. The hairline close up looks pretty good. The knots were pretty thin. It does come pre-bleached, but I did go in and bleach it again. And here's also just a wig cap.
So we're just gonna get straight into this video. I'm gonna take the wig and press out the hairline with my hot comb and my Carrot Hair wax stick. Today I'm using a new wax stick. I thought I'd give something new a go. So I'm hoping this does the job, because yeah, if not, I'll just go back to my re-nutrients. Okay, so this is the wig. I did pluck the wig and also bleach the hairline, although it didn't really need a whole lot of that. So right now, like I said, I'm just gonna go in with my Carrot. I don't know how to use this. Oh, okay, so you just push from the bottom.
Now I'm just applying that Carrot Hair hair stick all over the front of the hairline.
Now I'm going in with my, oh, what is that? So that is the hairline all pressed out. Sis hair is now long enough to braid. So I have grown my hair to a point where I can actually braid it up. So a new look for me entirely. Okay, what am I thinking of this lace? It's a little on the gray side for me, but let's see if we can finesse this. I feel like scissor actually. Calypso or scissor? Who we going with? I did request this wig in cap size small. And in terms of parting space, ooh, it's nice and deep. There's so many ways you can style this. You got good parting space. Ooh! Oh my gosh, I cut myself. Ooh. Don't scar. Oh, can you guys see that? Right there, I cut myself. Oh my gosh. I cut myself. Be careful, you guys. Because I really just cut myself. I done went to my skin. Oh no, it's bleeding. Oh my gosh. The show must go on. Anyway, I'm just positioning where I want my hair to sit.
And now I'm just going in with my adhesive, which is the BetterTheMelt adhesive.
Do I have a cut on my skin or something? Why did that sting so much?
After I've applied a layer of adhesive, I flip the lace back down and begin pressing that into my skin with a comb.
Guys, I just realized I didn't put any foundation on the lace. Ugh. I forgot, guys. I forgot. So I'm gonna try and quickly salvage what I can of the sides. I'm just going in with my sleek contour palette in the darkest shade. Rookie mistake, Shan. Rookie mistake. And now I'm going to resume to the sides. But you know what? I just want to see something. Don't cut yourself. I'm just cutting it right now to see what my... Hey! I will say the lace is a little bit on the gray side though. Oh, and my air tabs. I'm just doing this whole install back to front, aren't I? But because I requested it in a cap size small, there's not really much to cut off the air tabs. So before I go any further, let me just cut my air tabs off. To be honest, there's no real set way that you're supposed to apply your wigs. This is just the way that I apply mine. Don't tell me I don't have scissors. Great, I don't have scissors. But yeah, I mean, there's no rules that say you have to apply your wigs in this order. Let me just get my scissors. I ain't got time for this. Just gonna quickly cut the other side. I'm just gonna go in with an elastic band. By the way, most of the products I use, I have links down below for your convenience. Some of them do include affiliate links, but at no extra cost to you. Okay, so I'm gonna take off this band. I think it caught on the back of my nape. Ooh.
Now I'm just going in with some rubbing alcohol just to remove that white cast. And then I began to hot comb the part that I left out that I'm slicking into a ponytail. I sectioned that off by tying it up and then curling the rest of my hair.
What? This looks like my hair. This really looking like my hair. I'm looking like a naughty kid with cute hair. this is tied. This is cute. I don't know if I want this on this side or if I want it on. Come on now, don't be acting up. Don't be acting up. Okay, well that just did not work, but I think I want it on this side. Or I could do like a little, you know, a little top knot situation. No, I think I'm gonna just leave this little straggly thing. Oh, come on. So I should have left out hair from my baby hairs. Okay, so this is the finished look. It's so cute. It's giving me playful, it's giving me youthful, it's just giving me fun. But overall, it was really easy to work with. It was pre-plucked actually, so I didn't have to do much. It comes pre-bleached, however, I still went in and bleached the knots. Just add a little bit of split on there, you know? I always gotta add a little touch or two. I never would have thought I would have tried a kinky curly wig, so this is definitely a first. But I just want to say a big thank you to Luvmehair for sending me this wig. It's absolutely beautiful. I believe the blend is a slightly grayish cast. Overall, I think the wig is cute. It's giving me playdate vibes, but grown. Sophisticated playdate vibes. Hopefully you liked watching today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for tuning in as always, and I shall see you in my next video.